Welcome to Learn Linux. Please like, share, and subscribe and support us for more such informative videos on Linux.
Hello guys, welcome to Learn Linux. Today we will see how to create developer account on Red Hat portal. So for that, search here create developer account on Red Hat. Over there you will find first link for developers.redhat.com. Click on no cost Red Hat Enterprise Linux individual developer. Once you click on it, just on upper right corner there will be login. Click on it. Here you will find register for Red Hat account. Click on it. Once you click on it, enter the details. Once you fill all the details, click on create my account. Email address verification will be sent on your mail. Just go through your mail and link to email address verification. Click on it. Once it is done, you are logged in. See here. Now your developer account is successfully created.